Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am decorating for the week of July 10th through 16th, and I will be decorating with one of the envelopes from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, her luxury advent calendar from last year. So we have month 7, and I love that they all come in these individual red envelopes, which I am very clumsy with opening. So you get one sticker sheet. Oh, that's beautiful. All hand drawn by JoJo. Gorgeous. I'll be placing this bigger sticker sheet probably in my Hobonichi weeks, and then the rest are gonna go in my cousin. Let's get started. All right, so I quickly put stickers into my Hobonichi weeks so I know exactly what I wouldn't be using here. I didn't film a reel or a plan with me with this, but this is what my Hobonichi weeks looks like. Very simple, very pretty. So the remaining stickers I will then use in here, and I wanna start with, because I feel like I could put this up here or in the middle. Scissors. Yeah, I will put this one in the middle. I will cut this one right down the middle, just like so. And I will definitely be getting JoJo's luxury advent calendar when she does sell them again. I can't remember when she came out with them. I know she's just sold some now, or like recently. I can't remember when she puts the luxury ones out. If anyone can remind me, please let me know. Oh, that's pretty. Then, I love this washi, and I have already purchased some from the washi tape shop. But now, looking through, these are some really gorgeous ones that were given to me. This one was from Simona. And let's see, what would go well? I'm looking through my washi at the moment. Ooh, like these are from According to Allie. Or, ooh, don't shake the stand. There's these ones. But again, I don't want the washi to be to have too much pattern. I don't want it to take away from the actual spread, so I might just use this, but instead of using the full width of it, I think I will cut it down like that. Yeah, so let's do that. Oops. And then do this. Always afraid, of ripping up washi. Part of me doesn't actually mind if it's not exactly the same, because it adds character. Oh, I like it. And here, and then on this side, I might have to cut off a bit on the top there. Yeah, because that's coming out of the page a little bit, and that's gonna get a little annoying. So let's cut. Perfect. Ooh. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so there's other things that I could be adding as well. I think, let's see, this could do well here. I want to actually combine it with, that's the wrong sticker album. I feel like this would go well with, those are my some inks. Let's see what alcohol inks Allie has that could go with it. I felt like she had a purple, or did I use that already? I might have used it already. Ooh, navy, but it looks more black. The blue is, I feel like I should have gone with a darker blue. So none of those at the moment. I need to use those lemons still. Okay. So let's put this down here. And you know what? I don't mind, whoops, using this washi over and over again in this spread, because it is really pretty and it adds that detail without taking over the spread. Put that there. Put a little sprig like this. And I'm gonna leave the rest for when I've got things filled out. Or I could put the tree there. I mean, I could put it here too, couldn't I? Or there. I feel like the tree would be better up here. Yeah, just like so. And then this could go down here with one of these. Oops. And then this could go just right here. Perfect. And I said I was going to leave that till later. Yeah, don't believe me. All right. So let's go ahead and work on that sidebar. All right, so I'm going to go in here with my Pilot Vanishing Point with the fine nib, and it is currently inked up with Ferris Wheel Press Grace Ice Pop, and it's this really nice dark purple. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And I'm just drawing in my chart for sleeping, my sleep score graph, where I keep track of how long I sleep, as well as the score that I get. And then I'm going to use my Pelican M605. This has a lighter blue in it. Yeah, but I think it will work well. And it has, what is this in here? Colorverse Alpha CMA. And this is where I'm gonna write down what workouts I do through the week. I'm back into weight workouts, thankfully, because I do love my weighted workouts, but still a bit of an adjustment. So, all right, so let's zoom out. I'm just gonna go ahead and write in the word meals, Monday through Sunday, where I keep loose track of food. And I'm just alternating between the two fountain pens here. I would have used like a darker green, but none of my pens are inked with a dark green like that. I feel like the green that would match with that would be the Pilot Iroshizuku Sui Gyoku, because that's a nice dark green. So then I'm gonna place this blotting paper over top so I don't smudge it. I'm gonna write in my work shifts here and draw in the hours. Since I don't have to pick up my kids from school anymore, I have or my lunch hour, or that hour that I take off from work, isn't as heavily stringent or strict. And once the kids start taking the bus next year, it's going to be different as well. So what time did I say I was coming in? Like 11, 2.5 hours, 3.5. So I think I was coming in around 1 actually. No, 12. Yeah. And the main reason for that is because I have to close on Thursday. Oops, totally did not realize that I closed that off. Yeah. And then starting next year, the kids will be taking the bus, which will be great because then I don't have to worry about dropping them off or picking them up. I was meant to alternate, and I totally didn't do that. Oh boy. All right. Okay. Now that's done, I can put appointments in. If you guys want to watch Plan With Me's where nothing goes according to plan, this is the channel. Like, I can't even find my tweezers. Let's see. They're normally in there. Seriously, I normally have a cup that I keep my tweezers in, and I feel like they've gotten lost in there. Making a mess of everything. They're normally in here. Oh, there. I have like a little thing on the side. Okay. I'm not doing this in the order that I normally would, and I should, so that I don't go any more off-piste here. So to do is the regular meal plan and order groceries, and then Tuesday, going into my icons here, I need, there we go, my garbage can, because Wednesday is garbage day. So my husband puts out all the bins the night before. Oh, this is a nice combination. And then Wednesday, Henry has an appointment, and now I'm realizing I've totally cut that off. Oh boy. I'm just gonna leave it like this and somehow get it in there. 8 o'clock, H at dentist. Cool. Don't smudge. Thursday is our usual picking up the groceries day. And when I say pick up, it's not me that picks up the groceries, it's my husband. And I no longer really go into the grocery store. Like, actually, ever since when we were living in the UK, we had our groceries delivered because we didn't have a vehicle. And I just really liked that because it just made things easier in terms of not going in and spending way more than I told myself that I would. Okay, then Friday, yeah, so anyway, yeah, that started basically in the UK, and and then when they started doing click and collect here in Canada, I was all over that. So, at 10 o'clock at WW Sherwood Park. And the idea is as well that I kind of want to take the kids to the Street Performers Festival that day or Sunday. I'm like, what are we doing on Sunday? Nothing. We could do it Sunday. I'm going to leave it open. So I won't put anything down yet. Saturday, we have the cleaner coming, and I hire a cleaner once a month to just give myself a break, and it is the best investment because for 1 week I don't have to worry. I don't have to, well, the thing is, we still tidy everything up and put like all the clutter away so that the cleaner doesn't have to handle that. They're just gonna get down to the stuff that I'm too lazy to do. Then I really need to find like a swimming icon or make myself a swimming icon. Because the kids have swimming lessons, I'm gonna just put it as a dot with, whoops, I dropped a green one. This green for swimming lessons. Oh yeah, that'll work. And then after that, I'm going to have a lovely date with Henry. What we're doing yet, I have no idea. We might go for lunch. I'll actually put that down as blue. Yeah. So then I'll be date with Henry. He asked me last night, he's like, Mom, why haven't we been on a date in quite a while, actually? So definitely going to do that. I forgot here that I'm going to be folding laundry. So I'll put that down here. With this pen, fold laundry. And then I actually forgot to put in here that I'm also meant to be filming. There's a few videos that I want to do, like some ink swatching, actually I need to take my kids for bubble tea, probably right after, so I'll put filming here. And where's the bubble tea? Here we go. No, that's not bubble tea, that's cleaning. This is the mess that happens when I plan. And it's the very pretty curated photos that are on Instagram. That's life. Boba add cocoa. And then I have to film I'm gonna do a flip through, and I'm gonna then do Week's Cousin inks, and there is a review of a product that I've been sent. So there's a lot that I have to film this week. Then Sunday, no cleaning because cleaning was done the previous day. Henry has Ninja, and then maybe I think we should, that day, I think we should do the Street Performers Festival that day. Yeah. So, Ancient Ninja. And then I feel like I'm missing something. And then I realized I forgot something here. I need to, oh, I'm actually on call. And then, how would you do a sticker or an icon for like a street? Oh, no, hold on. I'm just gonna use one of Helen from the Comfy Monsters Co. icons. I'm just gonna use her heart icon. And I'm gonna write Street Performers. Oh, there goes Lucy. Festival. Oh my goodness, who is she barking at now? All right, I'm gonna tidy up here and then show the finished piece. All right, so there is the overall spread. Sticker sheet is done, and that's what I love about the stickers in this advent calendar from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, is because I can use them in my Hobonichi weeks as well as my cousin and finish that whole sticker sheet, and I love that the two match. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.